Damascus goat is the native breed of Syria and other Middle East countries. It is also known by the name of Shami, Baladi, Halep, Aleppo, Damascene, Shami. Damascus goat can adapt any type of environment. This is a multi-purpose goat raised for milk, meat, and hide. Damascus goat has long and pendulous ears, measuring 27 to 32 centimeters in length. The body is covered with long hairs. The normal adult Damascus goat height is 35 inches. It is a large breed, with a body circumference of 97 to 99 centimeters. Adult live weight of about 60 kilograms for female and 80 kilograms for the male. Adult Damascus goats possess long legs and neck. Damascus goat has long protruding lower jaw. The kids have a normal face. In a later stage, they change from beautiful to a monster-like face. Damascus goat is a seasonal breeder, in which the breeding season starts from late August and extend to mid-December. Mass mating, single mating, and artificial insemination are commonly followed breeding methods of breeding. A healthy buck can mate up to 30 does. At the age of 220 to 270 days, the first estrus cycle occurs. The productive life initiates at the young age of 13 to 16 months. In general, a Damascus doe has 3 to 4 kids every pregnancy, but the doe's kids only once a year. The gestation period is of 155 days, which is similar to that of other breeds of goat. The lactation period is of 200 to 220 days. A healthy buck can breed 30 does. The goat should be reared in the improved management system. Damascus goat is a dairy goat breed. The total milk yield was found to be 570 kilograms in one lactation period, with an average of 1.9 kilograms per day. The milk of this goat is easy to digest and is found to be rich in fat and protein. To start Damascus goat farming, at first we have to purchase pure and healthy breed. Since these goats are larger, they require a large house for rearing. On average 15 square feet area per goat is sufficient. Proper ventilation should be ensured, and the farm premises should always be kept dry and clean. Required doses of all the essential nutrients should be ensured through the diet. Feeding adequate green fodders enhance milk production. The lifespan of Damascus goats is 12 years. Before starting Damascus goat farming, it is beneficial to visit a commercial farmer for knowing the characteristics of the breed and other systems of management.